SAP FE Journal Entry Posting. The use of journal entry, J, posting in SAP FE is to take a batch, validate it for consistency, and create FE documents and post those entries in various line item accounts needed for subsequent business processing. J posting is a process that, with a few exceptions, runs behind the scenes and is the heart of journal entry. It receives journal entry data, representing financial transactions, from the PRA modules, valuation, revenue distribution, etc., and summarize them in batches and posts them to the PRA-J line item tables and to SAP FE. Journal entry posting is the link between the journal entries coming from PR applications and the FE documents and J line item table items that are created. How to post a journal entry in SAP FE? Use T-code FB50. Provide the company code. Enter the document date as shown below. The next step is to provide the following details. GL account. Enter the account to be credited. Short text description of amount. Amount in DOC currency. Enter the amount to be credited. Similarly, for the debit, provide data in the following fields. Click the Save button and you will get the document number to be posted for the company code.